Welcome back to TECHMIMIC, where you can simply view, imitate, replicate, and get on with your day. The firewall in Rocky is Firewall D and is installed and enabled by default, including a graphical user interface you can find in the menu under Applications, System, Firewall. Clicking this will bring up the firewall-config application that you can see here. Now for the command line version. From a terminal window, just click the terminal icon on the dock. We can check this with the command firewall-cmd space --state. As you can see, the firewall is currently running. Now let's say that the firewall config application isn't present in the menu, and when searching for the word firewall in the application finder, nothing is found. And the firewall command --state results in no such file or directory. We can configure and enable the firewall manually. In the terminal window, type the command sudo dnf install firewall d. And type yes to install the packages. The earlier firewall command --state will no longer result in an error message and informs us that the firewall is available but not running. To automatically activate the firewall when the system is started, type systemctl enable --now firewall d. Now check if the firewall is indeed running with the command systemctl status firewall d. When we run firewall command --state again, it is now showing us an up and running firewall. With the command firewall command --list-all, the firewall D settings are listed. By default, any changes made are not applied to the system yet, and to make the configuration permanent, type firewall command --runtime-2-permanent. Now the changes are marked as permanent, and every time the system boots, the firewall will run with your configured changes. Now this could be all you need, but if you want to manage the firewall going forward via a graphical user interface, install firewall config with the command sudo dnf install firewall-config and type yes to install the packages. This will add the firewall config application, which you can now find in the menu structure or when searching for the word firewall in the application launcher. That's it, hope it helped, and if it did, please like the video and keep it up. Bye!